Colombiana porcina. Oh, es muy bien. ¿Qué huevos y...?
Revuelto.
¿Hmm?
Huevo revuelto con salchicha.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely a Colombian breakfast all day, every day. And she's cooking some rice too. It's the next morning, you guys. I think she's trying to whip up breakfast real quick, get something in our stomach. I think we're actually gonna head down to the pool because the person that owns this place, he's got people coming here to clean in about the next 40 minutes, give or take. So I think we're gonna eat and then head downstairs and go to the pool because she's been wanting to go to the pool since we got here. But then again, I don't know how that's gonna work because I don't think she has a bathing suit yet. But, yeah, because we didn't make that stop yesterday because we spent so much time grocery shopping. And then had to hurry up and get back here and cook food. You know, like I said, man, she's pretty strict about her diet, so she doesn't really eat out like that. She prefers to cook, which I don't mind because, you know, there ain't nothing like a girl that can cook. So, as you can see, she over there throwing down. So, I don't know. We'll figure this out, but they're coming to clean at 9:30. It's like about quarter till, 10 minutes till 4. I mean, excuse me, 9 now. So I guess we'll try to eat real quick and then get up out of here so that way these people can clean. She's also washing clothes, so we'll figure things out. I don't know, maybe walk around something. I don't know, maybe go to the store and get that bathing suit that she wants. And maybe, we'll figure it out, you guys. But, you know, I'm just trying to vlog everything. All right, show y'all these views. Yeah. Let's get it.
Tú, agua para café.
Okay. Alright, so we got the eggs blended in with that protein and the patacones with the arroz. Oh yeah, we just need the sugar and milk for the coffee now. We good to go. Oh my god, you guys, this looks and smells delicious. Alright, you guys, so we over here roaming the streets of Cartagena, and I'm quickly reminded why men hate going shopping with girls. Literally, just to get a fucking bathing suit. We've been to 4 different places. She still can't find what she wants. This one thing that I'm learning about women when traveling, no matter where you go, they always, all of them seem to be perfectionists. Ain't nobody in this world perfect, and to be honest with you, she probably won't even wear it again after we leave here. So this is far more difficult than it has to be. But yeah, man. It's still cool to get out of the room and explore though. But like, you know how us guys are, man. We'll go to one place, get what we need, and keep it pushing, man. But yeah, still roaming around. Alright, so finally back. I'm over here working on content actually. But wanted to show you guys what she made me for lunch. Just burger and fries. Had to use the hamburger buns. But the way she made her hamburgers a little bit different. So you got the hamburger patty, but then she puts ham and cheese on top of the hamburger patty. I gotta keep it a buck. I've actually had something like this before in Colombia and actually ended up being pretty good. So I think that's just a Colombian thing, how they like to eat their hamburger. So I'm going to go ahead and smash this and go ahead and get ready to get some content done. Let's keep it moving. Ok, baby, ¿qué cocina?
Patacones,
Patacones.
arroz
Sí, arroz
y pollo.
y pollo. Ok. Mm. Te ves rico.
Se ve rico.
Mhm.
Pero-
Rico.
Claro, sí.
Yeah, man. So having just more of a chill day today. She's a little bit sleepy, and I want to get ahead on work. So see, it's going on. It's probably about 8:39 in the evening. I got hungry again. She got hungry again, and she's also gonna make some more coffee. She loves coffee. I usually try not to drink coffee at this late, but because I need to get ahead on content again, and I need to start posting more vlogs on the travel vlog channel. Because as I'm recording this, I still need to post more vlogs from my time in Bali. So that's how far ahead I am on content. So yeah, bro. She over here. Cocina y comer. Cooking and eating. So yeah, bro. So patacones, arroz, and pollo. So that's patacones, chicken and rice, man. So that's gonna be our meal for the evening, and maybe tomorrow might go out. I know we plan on going to the beach Sunday because I bought her. Oh yeah, matter of fact, let me. Well, she actually counted. So if you look at the top, that's what she got. But she also got. Hold on, hold on, bro. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what else she got. She also got this as well. So got this also. Cause she wanted to get that for the beach, and you know those are just the little shorts they come with. So yeah, man. So hopefully, weather permitting, we'll be able to do that Sunday. Cause she was actually just downstairs at the pool, and it started raining out here. Might have stopped. I don't know. We was considering maybe stepping out tonight, but if not, it was gonna be something close, probably like over here, because this is literally like a couple blocks over. Because pretty much you got a whole bunch of stuff on that street. So you got Starbucks right there, Burger King next to it, and if you look over here, it's a McDonald's over there. Then a bunch of Colombian restaurants throughout here and stores and whatnot. Hell, shit, it's even a Western Union right there, which comes in handy if you need that. So I'm definitely feeling this location because everything is walkable. And then, as far as getting to like all the clubs and stuff in like the central area, it's literally 10-15 minute ride away. So definitely a vibe, man. So don't see what this food talking about. Todos para mí. Wow. Okay. So we got the chicken that I bought, you guys. The patacones, eggs, arroz, rice, pollos, patacones, huevos, arroz. Alright. Get your Spanish up. You see, she trying to be all modest. See, with a small plate. Okay. See, she trying to get me fat. But yeah, bro. Have to go ahead and smash. Ooh, Jesus Christ. This woman gonna get me fat, bro. All that food, man. I finished it all though. Alright. It's hitting about 9 o'clock. From what I can tell, sound like she pretty much on chill mode like me. But we got plans for the weekend. Might step out tomorrow since it'll be Friday. It'll officially be my first full weekend in Cartagena because we flew in Monday. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up here, you guys. So I guess we'll call this the cooking video, so to speak. Because let's see, this is my third time coming to Colombia, and this is the first time that I've had a Colombiana actually cooking Colombian food for me. So far so good. I love Colombian food. Man, I didn't realize how much I miss Colombian food till I came back. Man, again, as much as I love Thai food, I think Colombia might have them beat when it comes to the food as well as the women. At least as attractiveness is concerned. As far as treatment goes, you know, that's probably a lot more debatable. It kind of depends on what you like or whatever the case may be. In my opinion, I think Thai women got them beat in the treatment department, but Colombia ain't too far behind. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here, you guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. And until next time, you guys, deuces.